So we're having to order these fractions, decimals, percentages from order of smallest to the largest. So with these kinds of problems where there's a mixture of forms of the number, what you have to do is rename them so that they are all the same. They're either all decimals, they're either all fractions, or they're either all percentages. I tend to go for decimals, a bit simpler, and I can use my calculator to help me if I need. Even if I was doing it by hand, I would still go decimals because it's kind of easy. So this one here, I would rename, don't have to rename, it already is 0.3. This one here is 0.15. This one here is, well, that's 2 point something, and this one here is 0.5. So smallest is definitely 15%. Okay, don't write 0.15 because these are the numbers here that we're supposed to order. So 15%, actually that doesn't look very neat. So 15%, that's first. Next would be 0.3. Next would be a half, 0.5, right? And the biggest number by miles is 2. Over here, let's do the same thing. So 0.75, this one here is 3.0, this one here is 0.4, and this one here is 0.05. So the smallest is definitely 5%. Next would be 0.4, then 3/4, and last of all, 3 as the largest value.